During periods of tension, when uncertainty is all around us and our resilience is challenged,
stay with free, stay with brave.
We can always depend on our values, our people, our history, our achievements, and our pioneering spirit to remind us to keep faith in our ambition. That it is always possible to make the world a better and safer place. Every day, our helicopters continue to preserve the world's beauty and security. They protect lives and save people, bringing every corner of the world within reach and connecting communities. As we look back on 2022, with a recovering market and our customers needing us to go even further, we can remember delivering on our commitments, delivering new and improved helicopters that secured our market leadership, delivering our strategic and transformation priorities and evolving to ensure the resilience and growth of our company, delivering safety, quality, compliance and integrity while always living our values, delivering tomorrow by preparing today, delivering our sustainability roadmap to prepare the next generation of vertical flight. We deliver one turn, one day, one challenge, one achievement, and 1 year at a time, through adversity to better times. As 1 year draws to a close and we look forward to the new one, everybody at Airbus continues to work together to bring the future of vertical flight even closer, to pioneer sustainable aerospace for a safe and united world.